We have last lecture we have seen the problems on right circular cylinder. Now let us take the another problem. Find the equation of right circular cylinder of a radius root 6 whose axis is the line x by 1, y by -1, z by -1. Now here the radius is given, and as the equation of axis x minus x1, y minus y1, and z minus z1, here x1, y1, z1 is 0. Clear? Means x1, y1, z1 is not present. Therefore, the axis passes through the origin a into the bracket 0, comma 0, comma 0. And you know the DRS of axis. DRS of axis is 1, comma -1, comma 1. Means radius of the cylinder PM is equal to the root 6. DRS of the axis is 1, comma -1, comma 1. And the axis passes through the point 0, 0, 0. Because here the axis is not given. Means x minus x1, y minus y1, and z minus z1. Here x1, y1, z1, 0. Therefore, the cylinder passes through origin. Then find out the projection of AP. Projection of AP. First find out the distance between the 2 point AP using the distance formula. X minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square plus z minus 0 bracket square. AP is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. Then you have to find out the projection. AM is a projection of AP on x-axis. Then x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0 means x, y, z as it is, and multiply by the DRS. 1 into x minus 1 into y, 1 into the z means x minus y plus z upon under root of 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 square means 1 plus 1 plus 1 means root 3. Then you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Here Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse is AP square. AP square is equal to AM square plus PM square. Then here under root AP square means square and square root removed. Then AP square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. PM radius is root 6. Root 6 square is 6. And here the projection of means AM. AM equal to x minus y plus z upon root 3 bracket square. Then multiply by 3 to both the side. Multiply by 3 to both the side. 3 into the bracket x square plus y square plus z square. Then 6 into 3 is 18. X minus y plus z bracket square. Here expansion of a plus b c bracket square means a square b square plus c square. 2 into first second, 2 into first third, and 2 into second third. Here if one of the term is minus, then middle term is minus means minus 2xy. X and z both are positive means plus 2xz, and y and z means minus 2yz. Then multiply 3 with the bracket and rearrange the term. After simplifying, you get the equation of right circular cone is x square plus y square plus z square plus xy minus xz plus yz minus 9 is equal to 0. Now let us consider the another problem. Find the equation of right circular cylinder whose guiding curve is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to the 9, and x minus y plus z is equal to 3. Now consider this is a sphere. Clear? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Means the radius of the sphere is 3. 3 square means 9. Radius of the sphere is 3. Let P, X, Y, Z be the any point lies on the generator. And as this is a standard sphere, therefore the circle passes through, cylinder passes through origin A0, 0, 0. And this is the equation of line x minus y plus z is equal to the 3. Sphere is x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9. Radius AQ. Radius AQ is equal to the 3. Center of the sphere A 0, 0, 0. AQN. AQN. We have to consider this triangle. Clear? Then first find out the perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance, you know the formula. x minus y plus z minus 3 is equal to the 0. Here the DRS are coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y is minus 1, coefficient of z is 1. Therefore, the DRS is 1 minus 1, 1. Then multiply 1 into 0, minus 1 into 0, 1 into 0 and minus 3 as it is upon under root of 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 square. Then perpendicular distance AN is root 3. Clear? This is a perpendicular distance formula. AX1 plus BY1 plus CZ1 plus D upon under root of A square plus B square plus C square. Then you get AN is equal to the root 3. Then Pythagoras theorem AQ square is equal to AN square plus QN square. Then 9 minus 3. Then you have to find out the QN square. 9 minus 3 is 6. Means QN is root 6. QN means radius of the cylinder. Then you get the radius of the cylinder is root 6. DRS is 1 minus 1, 1. And DRS normal to this plane is 1 minus 1, 1. And 0, 0, 0, 0 is a point on the axis. 1 minus 1, 1 is a DRS of the axis. Root 6 is a radius of the cylinder. PXYZ be the any point on the cylinder. M be the perpendicular from the point P on the axis. AP is equal to under root of x minus 0 bracket square plus y minus 0 bracket square plus z minus 0 bracket square. Means AP, you have to find out the distance formula. AP, distance between the 2 points, x minus 0 bracket square, y minus 0 bracket square, z minus 0 bracket square. Then you get the distance AP. Then AP square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square. PM is the radius of the cylinder, root 6. And then you have to find out the projection AM. Projection AM is x minus 0, y minus 0, z minus 0 on the axis. Upon under root of 1 square minus 1 square plus 1 square, because the DRS is 1 minus 1, 1. Then simplify, you get x minus y plus z upon root 3. Then with the help of the Pythagoras theorem, find out AP square is equal to AM square plus PM square. Substitute all the value, simplify, you get the equation of right circular cylinder. Here multiply 3 to each term, 3 into bracket x square plus y square plus z square. Here 3 get cancelled and 6 into 3 is 18. After simplifying, you get x square plus y square plus z square plus xy plus yz minus xz is equal to 9. This is the equation of right circular cylinder.
Yeah, it's a grand.